Let's look at the new support functionality in MyEsri. To request a support case, go to the Support tab and select the Request Case drop-down. We now need to decide how we'd like to submit our case, either by describing our product or using a system profile. Let's use by describing your product. I next need to decide my product description, starting out with my product. I'm going to use ArcGIS Pro as my product type, and my version is 3.4. My operating system is Windows OS with 11.0, and my operating system is English New Zealand. I then click Next. Now I need to have my issue description. Firstly, to start with my issue category. As my issue is related to an offline license in ArcGIS Pro, this will be an admin and installation category. My subcategory in this instance will be licensing. I now need to add an appropriate title for my request. My ArcGIS Pro license is stuck offline. I then need to assist this with an appropriate description of my issue. When I'm trying to log into ArcGIS Pro, I get the error message, the account cannot be used to authorize ArcGIS Pro as it's already been configured to use in offline mode on some other device. Here I've clearly stated the exact error message I'm experiencing, as well as the software. I can also accompany my issue with an attachment of any error messages you may have received. In this instance, I've added a screenshot of my Pro error that I'm receiving. I then click Next. If you have any internal case information or contacts, or if you're doing this on behalf of a customer, on this tab is where you can fill in these details. Additionally, you may have contacts that you wish to work with on this case or you wish to be involved in the conversation. You can also add them here, and then click Next. Now we must summarize the details we've provided so far, making sure that everything is correct for our Esri analyst. If it's not correct, you can choose to modify your information. However, if you're happy with the current description you provided, please press Send Request. You can now see a case number has been created for us to use. To look at the updates on this case, we go back to the Support tab and click Overview. From here, we can look at cases, bugs, enhancements, and hotfixes, both opened and closed. If we scroll down and click our Case button, we can now see the case that we have just submitted. If I click the plus symbol, I can take a look at a little more detail of the case that I've just submitted. I can follow along with the activity, look at the issue description and the system profile information. We can also use this section to add notes to our support case, to raise the severity of our support case, to close our support case. And if our support case has been closed within the last 10 days, we can reopen it if this issue has reoccurred again. These are just some of the ways you can use the MyEsri support functionality. Please remember that you must have authorized caller permissions before performing any of these activities. If you do not have authorized caller permissions, please work with your administrator to assign these to you.